For long-haul trucking, durability isn't optional, it's essential. The Caterpillar C15 engine stands out as a staple of power and reliability in the industry. Launched in the early 2000s and evolving from deep roots in Caterpillar engineering, the C15 delivers up to 580 horsepower and over 2,050 pound-feet of torque with a sturdy 15.2-liter inline six-cylinder design. Advanced electronic controls optimize both power delivery and fuel efficiency, making the C15 a favorite for demanding, heavy-duty trucking. When it comes to maintenance, the C15 is designed for straightforward service. Routine oil and filter changes every 25,000 miles and easy access to key engine components keep these engines running reliably mile after mile. With proper care, it's common for a C15 to exceed 1,000,000 miles with its original block. Located in Denver and backed by over 140 years of combined experience, Cap Reman's team specializes in remanufactured Cat C15 engines and parts. Fleet owners save an average of 47% compared to dealers and benefit from a 1-year warranty that matches OEM standards. Whether it's a full overhaul, cylinder heads, injectors, or replacement blocks, Capital Reman uses the same OEM and aftermarket parts trusted by dealers, so quality and fit are never compromised. Our state-of-the-art facility brings Cat C15 engines and components back to OEM specifications, extending engine life and boosting fleet uptime. For lasting performance, reduced downtime, and proven expertise, trust the Cat C15 and Capital Reman Exchange to keep your fleet on the road and your bottom line strong.